Welcome everyone. Fried rice is truly a cook with whatever's in your fridge dish, so feel inspired to add whatever you like. But don't go overboard and commit the whole kitchen sink because that would be a gigantic mess. For this recipe, you are going to need, and feel free to adjust based on your preferences, a small handful of onion, 1 green onion or scallion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of cooked rice that's been refrigerated overnight, 1 egg, 1 strip of bacon, and a sauce that's been made by mixing 2 teaspoons of full salt soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and a dash of sesame oil. If you don't have all those sauce ingredients, just improvise, I guess, but at the minimum you want to use at least soy sauce because that's what gives the dish the most of its flavor. Let's start by dicing the onion. The one I'm using here is called a sweet onion, but use whatever onion you have at the moment. You don't want to chop the onion too fine nor too large. Next, take care of the scallions. Perfect time to employ the method in the chopping herb video for straight/narrow herbs. See, that technique does come in handy. Slice them on the thin side because you won't be cooking them for too long like the sweet onion. Mince the garlic and cut the bacon into the same size as the onion. After finishing prep work, place a medium-sized pan over medium heat. You're going to want to use a range of low to medium heat throughout this recipe. After the pan has been warming for 45 seconds to 1 minute, pour in a healthy glug of olive oil, or for extra richness, use pork fat such as bacon fat. Let that heat up and then saute the onion over low to medium heat for 5 minutes or until soft, making sure they don't burn. After those have softened, if you're unsure of the onion's doneness, just taste it a little bit. Throw in the garlic and the green onion and saute until soft. These should take much less time than the onion, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. And I also ended up not using all of the green onion, maybe just the 1 full stalk that was shown at the beginning. And the amount of garlic I used is on the strong side, so maybe go 1 clove if you're not a huge fan of it. After the garlic and the onions have finished, everything comes together quite quickly, so have the ingredients close by. Just start by adding in the rice, breaking up any large clumps, and stirring everything together. After everything is incorporated, crack in the egg and scramble with the rice mixture, being very quick not to let anything stick until the egg is almost cooked. Scrambling the egg takes a little longer than you might think. The egg that's mixed in with the larger clumps of rice does take longer to cook through, so be patient here. Then add the bacon and the sauce, mixing everything well. Taste, adjust the seasoning, and then serve. You can put the rice in a bowl and kind of squish it in, and then invert that bowl onto a plate to get that nice dome shape. I suggest garnishing with a little extra green onion and a squeeze of lemon juice for that freshness and a little kick of acid. Onto the tasting. This has a bold and deep flavor that really hits the spot. The onion and the garlic provide the base, but the bacon and egg really take it over the top. The bacon gives it that smoky restaurant-style flavor, and the egg brings everything together. If you don't have bacon, try using pork belly or pork ribs or something fatty and flavorful. You really want to choose a good type of meat because this is what takes the dish over the top. Enjoy.